Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to crochet a mini chicken keychain. We're going to start with a magic ring. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. We're going to hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're gonna finish it with a chain. And that is a magic ring. Next we're going to make single crochet. And to make single crochet, we're going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out, yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. Since we need 8 single crochet for the first round, we're going to make 7 more single crochet. Once you're done, you can pull the yarn to close the ring. And we are going to continue into the second round. And for the second round, we're going to make increase. And for increase, we have to make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So we're going to start with a single crochet first. Then still on the same stitch, we're going to make another single crochet. And that is an increase. And for this round, we're going to make increase for each stitch. Moving on into round 3, we're going to start with a single crochet first. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that's the pattern for this round, a single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Continue into round 4. We're going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round, 2 single crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of the round. We're going to continue into the next round, and for round 5 until round 9, we're going to make a single crochet for each stitch. So it's going to look like this so far. And for round 10, we're going to start with 2 single crochet. Then we're going to make a decrease next. And for decrease, we're going to insert the hook into the front loop of the stitch. And on the front loop of the next stitch, Yarn over and pull the yarn out. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through the loops. And there is a decrease, and for this round we're going to repeat this pattern, 2 single crochet and a decrease until we reach the end of the round. We're going to continue into the last round, which is round 11, and we're going to start with a single crochet. Then we're going to make a decrease next. And that is the pattern for this round, a single crochet and a decrease. We're going to continue with that pattern until we reach the end of the round. Next, you can add some stuffing, and we are also going to insert the eyes. I'm using 4mm plastic eyes and I'm placing it between round 9 and round 10. I feel like it's the best option if you can insert the eyes after you're done making the whole pieces, because by then you can see the shape of the chicken and that way you can place the eyes better. But just in case you can, because you're using the safety eyes, then you can insert the eyes now. Then we're going to cut the yarn, but we're going to leave a long tail for sewing. And basically we're just going to sew the whole shot with the tail. Then after you're done, you can go secure the yarn and weave in the end. And to make the comb, we're going to start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around the fingers, hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we can just pull it on both sides, and that is a slip knot. Then we're going to insert the yarn into the second hole from the left side. We're going to continue with 2 chains. Then we're going to make a half double crochet. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn out, and there will be 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through all the loops. And that is a half double crochet. We're going to continue with 2 chains. Then we're going to make a slip stitch on the same stitch. Continue with 2 chains. Then on the next stitch, we're going to make a half double crochet. We're going to make 2 chains. Then a slip stitch on the same stitch. And that is it for the comb. You can cut the yarn and weave in the end. If you haven't insert the eyes, you can insert the eyes now. And we're going to add the last detail by making the mouth. And that is it, guys. I feel like this one is pretty easy to make and also a quick one. And I think they will be perfect for a crochet market or if you want to use them as a gift. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!